are collecting waste materials for our project,
which is farmers caring tools. We are taking this shovel for modify our project.
we are developing our project.
My name is Shreya Shailesh Kadar.
My name is Shivanjali Vijay Kadam. Our school name is Shardabai Pawar Vidyaniketan Shardanagar, Taluka Baramati, District Pune.
We are studying in 8th standard.
We have participated in Atal Marathon 2020.
Unique idea of our adult tinkering lab is 4181810.
Our team name is Young Innovators.
Theme of our project is economy and problem statement of our project is innovative to increase the productivity, manage scale, speed and sustainability in agriculture to benefit farmers.
And our project name is Farmer
So
Care.
let's introduce our farmer caring tools. This is grass lifter. This is spade.
This is sickle and this is soil loosening tool. So let's see how these tools used in the farm and get feedback of the
Hello. Now that we are in the field, so let's see how our tools work in the field.
We just say that the farmers are the breadwinners of the whole world, but we do not ever try to solve their problems which comes in their lives. The farmers do not show their problems, so we decide to talk to the farmers and solve their small problems. Because a small problem can cause a big problem. So we want to solve it. Farmer caring tools have been created to solve all these problems.
This is a spade. This is also a project we have made from waste material. The farmer gets thirsty while working in the field. He avoids the drinking of water so as not as waste his time. Therefore, the farmer gets many diseases due to lack of water. They drink the water from the well flowing in the farm, etc. By drinking such water, they get sick by getting various water viruses in their bodies. Now it's need of the time to drink the hot water.
For that purpose, the regular spade is simply modified and an iron tube is fitted. The inner part of the tube is coated with copper and the outer part of the tube is covered with threading. So it will help to improve immunity power, or it will also help to improve digestion system, or it will also help to heal wounds, etc. These are the advantages of the modification.
Easily drink the water from using of this spade.
तुमचं नाव काय आहे?
तुम्हाला हे टूल वापरून कसं वाटतं?
उपयोगी आहे का हे? This is the sickle. It is used to weed unwanted grass from the crop. While weeding in the farm, farmer's hand or feet may get injured. So he want to go to the doctor and take treatment. But farmers do not take care of himself. If any farmer or farm workers may get injured, he washes his wound under the water or applies soil on it and get back to the work in the
Can
farm.
lead to tetanus or contagious diseases to the farmer. The treatment material is kept in this instrument like iodine, cotton, etc. Instead of wooden handle, we can use the iron handle here. We can also use threading to the handle, and so when the farmer get injured, so the farmer take the first aid material on their injury. नमस्कार, तुमचं नाव काय आहे?
माधुरी, तुम्ही हे टूल वापरून बघितलं आता, तर तुम्हाला कसं वाटतंय की हे उपयोगी आहे का?
आहे उपयोगी, छान आहे. लागलं तर पट दिसणं ड्रेसिंग करता येईल, रेटॉल आहे, छान वाटत आहे, वापरण्यासाठी फायदा आहे. तुम्ही बनवलं
This is soil losing tool. This soil losing tool is helpful for the farmers to plug the farm and other people staying in the city. Farmers can use the bullock or tractors to plug the farm. If we want to plug small farming and gardening there, we cannot use the bullock or tractor. So we can use the soil losing tool for gardening, kitchen gardening or terrace gardening.
A large number of farm tools can be used for cultivating. It is not possible to use it in the limited space. So we developed the soil losing tool. This is the handle. This is the green color pressing rod. If we press this rod with our foot and pull back the handle, soil get loose and it is easy to sow.
नमस्कार, तुमचे नाव काय आहे?
प्रकाश सावंत.
हे माती भुसभुशीत करण्याचं यंत्र आहे. हे असं पकडून ह्या रॉडवरती थोडंसं प्रेस करायचं आणि ह्या हिरव्या रंगाच्या रॉडच्या साह्याने घुमवायचं.
कसं वाटतंय तुम्हाला हे यंत्र वापरून? म्हणजे हे तुम्हाला म्हणजे ह्या परिसरामध्ये किंवा शेतीमध्ये हे उपयोगी पडेल का? ग्रास लिफ्टर.
This is made from waste rod. In the rainy season, after the rain, a large amount of grass grows in the field. We weed it with the help of spickle or spade. The farmers lift the grass with the help of their hands. So there is most chances of biting animals like scorpions and snakes.
It can harm to the farm workers or farmers when they pick up the grass with their hands. To prevent such injuries, we have made this tool or designed this tool. When they pick up the weed with the help of this tool, the farmers do not get any injury. नमस्कार, तुमचे नाव काय आहे?
माझं नाव वैशाली.
तुम्ही किती वर्षापासून इथे काम करताय शेतीचे?
इथं 8-9 वर्ष झाली की काम करतोय.
तुम्हाला ग्रास लिफ्टर वापरून कसं वाटलं?
छान वाटलं की, मस्त आहे. हां वाटतंय की छान आहे. म्हणजे उचलायला ह्याला हे सुकाट्याचं बियाणं आहे, खायला एकदम व्यवस्थित. हां एकदम व्यवस्थित वाटतं.
नमस्कार,
नमस्कार.
तुमचे नाव काय आहे?
विक्रम लक्ष्मण राऊत.
तुम्ही ह्या क्षेत्रात किंवा ह्या शेती किती वर्षापासून काम
25
करताय?
ते 30 वर्षापासून काम करतो.
हे गवत उचलणी यंत्र तुम्ही वापरून पाहिलंच आहे, पण तुम्हाला हे कसं वाटलं?
हे चांगलं वाटलं. म्हणजे काही असं हाताने जे उचलायचं, ही चुकाटा नाही काय नाही ह्याच्यामुळं चांगला फायदा होतो.
आणि तुम्ही हे पण बघितलंय की खोऱ्यामुळे म्हणजे शेतकरी पाणी वगैरे जास्त पित नाही, तर तुम्हाला ह्याच्याबद्दल काय वाटतं?
ह्याच्याबद्दल म्हणजे कसं झालं, त्यांचं म्हणजे वेळ भरपूर आपल्याला मिळते. ह्यातनंच पाणी पितात. ताण लागलं तरी बाहेर लोक जात नाहीत. ही चांगलं.
नमस्कार.
हा नमस्ते.
तुमचं नाव काय?
दत्तात्रय साधू जगताप.
तुम्ही शेती किती वर्षापासून करताय?
30 वर्ष झालं या शेती विभागात काम करतो.
तुम्ही हे टूल वापरून पाहिलंच आहे, तर तुम्हाला कसं वाटलं?
खूप छान वाटलं. ह्याच्यामुळं वेळ खूप बचत होईल आणि जे हाताने किंवा ह्याने करणार त्याच्यात वेळ खूप जात होता. त्याच्यामुळं आता वेळ कमी जाईल आणि भुसभुशीतपणा एकसारखेपणा करता येईल.
तुम्हाला असं वाटतंय का की हे उपयोगी आहे
हो.
भविष्यात?
हे भविष्यात उपयोगी आणि कमी माणसात जास्त काम करण्यासाठी याचा उपयोग होईल.
तुम्ही हे खुरप वापरलं जातं,
हो.
तर तुम्हाला लागल्यानंतर महागच आपण फर्स्ट एड किट सगळ्यात जास्त ते सगळं इथं ठेवलेलं आहे. मग तुम्हाला काय वाटतं, हे उपयोगी पडेल का?
हा हे उपयोगी पडेल. कारण काम करताना बऱ्याच वेळा असं होतं की हाताला लागतंय, बोटाला लागतंय, मग ते त्याच्यात खूप वेळ पण जातोय. परत ते तिथंच म्हणजे माती लावणे किंवा पाण्याने धुणं असं करण्यापेक्षा ते ह्याचा जर उपयोग केला तर जखम पण लवकर बरी होईल आणि त्याला पण बरं वाटणार, समाधान होईल आणि ह्याचं गरज आहे.
गुड आफ्टरनून सर.
Good afternoon.
व्हॉट्स युअर गुड नेम?
My name is Santosh Karanje.
Sir, please tell me about your working nature and experience.
I am working in the Krishi Vigyan Kendra Baramati, which is working under Agriculture Development Trust Baramati. I am working as a subject matter specialist agronomy in this Krishi Vigyan Kendra.
Sir, please tell me about our tools. Do you like or?
First of all, I congratulate both of you girls that you have been developed this kind of small tools which is useful for the farming community or workers which were working in the farm or farming areas. So first of all, I want to tell that you have developed very good tools, like you have developed this kind of spade. I think it is very useful for the farmers, particularly the farmers working in in their farms. They are not drinking enough kind of water, so you make a provision for the filling the water inside this bar, and you develop this bar with the help of stainless steel, and inside that you are using copper based material, so that the water quality will be increasing. So it is very good kind of innovations you have developed. And one summation for that, you must reduce the weight of this spade, because for working it may be quite difficult for the farmers. So my one summation that only you have to reduce the weight of this spade. Okay, and then the second one, you have developed this kind of raking material. So you must lose your soils during the working in the field. So you are losing your soil in the field, and also you must be easily pick up your other waste material in the field whichever left in the field. So it is one of the good kind of the innovation you have developed. But I want to add one more modification in that. You must increase the size of this bar, so that it will be working in each kind of field. And one more summation is that you reduce the distance between this bar and this all iron rods, so that it can be easily operatable for all kind of all labors. It may be lady labor or gents labor. So it is very good kind of innovation you have developed. So I congratulate again both of you that you have developed this kind of implements in the our Shardabai Power Vidyaniketan. So thank you for you and your teachers and all management committee, which is giving guidance to both of you.
Thank you,
Thank
sir.
you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.